Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows installation encountered an unexpected error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, free up disk space. I'll tell you why. Because in a lot of cases, Windows installation needs extra space and your system might not have it. So here's what you can do. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then select all of these boxes here and click on OK and then on delete files. I believe that this should in general free up enough disk space for you to be able to install Windows. And the next one is to reset Windows Update components. Now why do I say this? Because installation uses the same services as Windows updates. So copy these services, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.